Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we are going to discuss few questions related to alcohol, phenol and ether, and the pattern is JEE main exam pattern. So let's start with the topic. My first question is, look at the question. How many minimum number of carbons are needed for an optically active ether? Clear to you? What is? It is given here optically active ether. This question is slight confusing because if we go for a detailed solution, then what will happen? Check it out. If I write like this, CS3O CHDT, if I consider the isomer of hydrogen, that is protium, deuterium and tritium, then in this case these are optically active, this carbon, so only 2 carbon required. But this is the extreme situation. If I talk about the cyclic ether, then minimum number of carbon is just 3. So this is the correct answer. If I talk about the non-cyclic ether, if I write like this, CS3O CH C2H5, then CS3. Clear to you? Now this one is also optically active. Then in this case, total number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number of carbon is 5. So there are 3 cases. Look at, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 5. But we are not going to take this one. This is the extreme case. So normal situation in case of cyclic ether, only for optically active only 3 carbon is required. So the best possible answer for this question is B, 3. Clear? So for question number 1, 3 is the correct answer. Now friend, I am going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next pattern, next question. Wait for a moment. Now, look at the next question, that is ROH plus SOCl2. What is the final product in this case? Check it out. That is the solution, friend. ROH, okay, plus SOCl2. Clear to you? It gives you RCl plus SO2 plus SCl. Clear? This is the reaction. These all are in a gaseous form. So this is the best method for preparation of alkyl halide. Clear to you? RCl plus SO2 plus SCl. So the answer in this case, the final product is nothing, just that is alkyl chloride. Clear what I'm telling? That is final product is alkyl chloride. A is the correct option. Clear friend? Now I'm going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next one. Wait for a moment. Let's move to the next one. That is the question number 3. This one. Look at this reaction. This is type of reaction like this. Okay, SCH2Cl and gives you aqueous KOH. The product is, this one is the product, that is CH2OH. Clear to you? Wait for a moment. Put here Cl, CH2Cl and treatment with aqueous KOH, it gives you CH2OH. Which type of? This is the nucleophilic substitution reaction, and very simple, this is the unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, SN1. So for this question it is very simple, that is A is the correct option. I have given the detailed solution, I have discussed about the mechanism also, SN1, SN2. So for this question we do not need to check these things again, that is simple, this is SN1 reaction. Clear? Now let's move to the next segment, next question. What will happen? Check it out. Now the next is question number 4. Grignard reagent is suitable reagent for the preparation of which of the following from carbonyl compound? Grignard reagent is suitable for which of the following? Wait for a moment. If I write Grignard reagent like CS3 MgBr, then put here CS3 CH2 CHO. Clear to you? Then what will happen in this case? There is a formation of CS3 CH CH2 CH3, put here OH. Formation of 2-degree alcohol take place. Yes sir. If I write another example, R dash MgBr, yes sir, plus R then C O R double dash R dash. Clear to you? This is ketone. Then what will happen? H plus in H2O. Yes sir, the product in this case is, that is R, then C OH, then R dash and R double dash. This one is 2 degree, this one is 3 degree. Similarly, we can also form 1 degree alcohol. That is, Grignard reagent is suitable for the preparation of 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol. So for this case, we people can say that is all of this. D is the correct option. For question number 4, D is the correct option. Clear friend? Now I'm going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next one. Wait for a moment. Now let's move to the next question, that is question number 5. In Lucas test, immediate turbidity means cloudiness is caused by. Now this is the best question. Now how to solve this question? Check it out. If I talk about the immediate turbidity, it's very simple. What is Lucas reagent? That's the question first of all. Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent is concentrated HCl in ZnCl2. This is the Lucas reagent. What will happen when Lucas reagent is treated with 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol? It is found that it is hard to react with 1 degree alcohol. Only boiling the reaction proceed. Clear? After that is, it will take around 30 minutes. But in case of 2 degree alcohol, cloudiness appears, that is a reaction take place, halide formation. Cloudiness appears within 5 to 6 or sometimes 5 to 10. The best range like this, 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. But if I take 3 degree alcohol, then cloudiness appear immediately, that is less than 1 minute. So the question is, in Lucas test, immediate turbidity, that is the cloudiness, appears in which case? That is caused by the 3 degree alcohol. That is, this is the best method to differentiate 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. If cloudiness appears immediately, then the molecule is 3 degree alcohol. If the cloudiness appears within 5 to 10 minutes, then it is a 2 degree alcohol. If the reaction does not proceed, then the molecule is 1 degree alcohol. Now, then why this happens? Now if I take an example, that is the ROH, this one is alcohol. Clear to you? As we know, in ROH there is oxygen which contains lone pair of electron. Am I right? Yes sir. And when treatment with ZnCl2, as we know ZnCl2 is Lewis acid. Yes sir. ZnCl2 is Lewis acid. When ROH treatment with ZnCl2, what will happen? This will come here and accept the lone pair of electron, and oxygen will acquire positive charge. Clear to you what I am telling? Oxygen will acquire positive charge. That is, wait for a moment. Now put here plus, and hydrogen is here. Now it add here, that is it is donating, that is ZnCl2. Or similarly we can write here, that is there is a removal, that is ROH plus and ZnCl2 minus. That is the things, because it is taking the electron pair. Or similarly you can write like this also. Wait for a moment. That is ZnCl2, and if it acquired this, the put plus and minus sign. As now, one more thing I am going to discuss here. Now, as we know, oxygen is more electronegative atom, so to disappear, to get the stable form, what will happen? Now we need to break this bond. So this electron pair will move here, and what we get? We get R plus carbocation, and this carbocation decide the speed or the movement of the reaction. That is the mechanism, and definitely now there come HCl, and Cl minus will attack on this carbocation. We ultimately get alkyl halide. Now the question arises here, if there is a intermediate formation, that is the carbocation take place. Now which carbocation is more stable? We people know 3 degree carbocation is more stable than 2 degree than 1 degree. So in which case the reaction moves faster if the carbocation is 3 degree. That is, if the alcohol is 3 degree alcohol, then turbidity, cloudiness appear fastly. This is the mechanism. Clear to you? If you have any doubt, you can easily approach to me. During my lecture session, I have also discussed this thing. So for question number 5, A is the correct option. Wait for a moment. Phenol can be distinguished from alcohol. As we know, this is the simple form, litmus test. As we know, phenol is more acidic than alcohol. Factor is resonating structure also and tendency to form phenoxide ion. More acidic than alcohols. Yes, sir. As we know, phenol is more acidic than alcohol, then it easily forms phenoxide ion. That is the phenol. It easily forms phenoxide ion. And in comparison to alkoxide, that is, see if I talk about, wait for a moment, alcohol, ROH, that is RO minus. Clear to you? That is, it more acidic in nature. It forms phenoxide ion easily, which is more stable than, that is the alkoxide ion. Now this when comes in the contact of FeCl3, that is Fe3 plus ion, they form complex, which is generally red or blue in color, and the appearance of color proves the reaction, that the reaction is moving, that is the reaction goes to completion. So in case of phenol and ether, if I take FeCl3, then phenol easily react with Fe3 plus ion FeCl3 and form complex, that is the color, that is blue, red blue color appears. But in case of general alcohol, there is no such reaction take place. So this is the best method to distinguish phenol and ether. There are many more methods. During my lecture I have discussed this thing. So now according to the question, which one is the best method? That is FeCl3. Clear to you? What is the answer in this case? That is for question number 6, A is the correct option. Now friend, I am going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next one. The next one is 7. Electrophile in Reimer-Tiemann reaction. This is very simple question. I think now you can easily solve this question. That is, in Reimer-Tiemann reaction, what we take? CSCl3. This is chloroform. One treatment, it gives you CCl2 plus KCl plus H2O. This is the intermediate formation which further attack and the reaction proceed. So in Reimer-Tiemann reaction, CCl2 is the electrophile. So for this question, we people can say C is the correct option. For question number 7, C is the correct option. Clear friend? Now let's move to the next question. What is the next question? Check it out. Now the next one is question number 8. Cumene. What is the formula of cumene? First of all, tell me. Sir, the formula of cumene is CH, put here CS3 and put here CS3. This one is cumene. Clear to you? Cumene, first of all, with treatment with oxygen, it gives you the intermediate product, that is COOH, then put here CS3, then also put here CS3, which on, remember this reaction, on further hydrolysis, it gives you, tell me, sir, now it's very simple, it gives you phenol plus CS3 COCS3, that is phenol plus ketone. Remember this, that is phenol plus ketone. This is the during my lecture I have also discussed this reaction. This one is cumene, first part this one, then after hydrolysis it gives the final product. I'm coming here, that is phenol and ketones. Clear? That is phenol. I'm moving here friend. So for cumene, X and Y, for this X and Y are, one is phenol, second one is ketone, that is acetone, CS3 COCS3. So for question number 8, C is the correct option. Clear? Still, if you have any doubt what I'm telling, you can easily approach to me. Now let's move to the next one. What I'm saying, listen carefully. The next one is question number 9. That is reaction of tertiary butyl bromide with sodium methoxide. It is given here tertiary butyl bromide. What will happen? Look at what I am telling, listen carefully. Tertiary butyl bromide, that is CbRCS3, yes sir, then CS3 also, then here is CS3 also. This one is tertiary butyl bromide. Tertiary butyl bromide, clear to you, with sodium methoxide, CS3ONA. What will happen? Remember this, in this case not substitution, elimination reaction take place. If there is a possibility of elimination reaction, then what will happen? The product is definitely alkene. That is, the formation of double bond take place. Clear? Now what will happen? I am moving here. It gives you a product that is CS3CH3. This one is, it can be written like this, CS3 double bond CH2. 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon, that is butene and isoform. So in this case, what is the correct? That is alkene double bond isobutylene. Clear to you? Now look at the reaction complete. That is, this is the complete reaction. In this case, no substitution, elimination reaction take place. Remember this reaction. This is the simplest form, alkene, and the product is double bond, contains double bond. So the answer in this case, what will happen? We people can say that is isobutylene. For question number 9, D is the correct option. Now friend, let's move to the next question. What is the next question? Ethyl chloride is converted into diethyl ether. What is given here? Ethyl chloride is converted into diethyl ether. This is one of the simplest question, completely theory based. Ethyl chloride, that is RCl and RO minus. That is, when alkyl chloride combines with the alcohol, it forms ROR. What I'm telling? ROR. So in this case, ethyl chloride is converted into diethyl ether. It forms diethyl ether, and the process is known as Williamson synthesis. What I'm telling? Williamson's synthesis. Clear to you? This is the reaction. Now complete the reaction. What I'm telling? Listen carefully. That is how to complete. Ethyl chloride, put here CS3 CH2 Cl and CS3 CH2 OH, that is O minus. Now what will happen? It will break like this, minus and plus. This will move towards here and will form the product CS3 CH2 O CH2 CH3 and Cl minus. This one is diethyl ether, and this reaction is known as famous reaction, which is called Williamson synthesis. So for this question, we can easily predict D is the correct option. Clear friend? Now I'm going to rub this part and we'll discuss. Now we revise the things. I think now you can easily solve such kind of question. So now revise. Now for question number 1, this is slight confusion as I told you, but the best possible answer is 3. Now for question number 2, ROH plus SOCl2, the final product is alkyl chloride, that is the A option. Now for question number 3, that is simple, that is SN1 mechanism, A option. Now for question number 4, Grignard reagent is very simple, 1 degree, 2 degree and 3, all cases possible, that is D is the correct option. For question number 5, in Lucas test, the immediate turbidity in case of 3 degree alcohol, because 3 degree carbocation is more stable than 2 degree and 1 degree. Yes sir. Then for question number 6, what is phenols can be distinguished from alcohol by simple FeCl3, because phenoxide and phenol is more acidic than alcohol, and there is a appearance of red blue color take place. Now for question number 7, electrophiles in Reimer-Tiemann reaction is CCl2. C is the correct option. For question number 8, cumene, it gives phenol and acetone. So for question number 8, C is the correct option. Now for question number 9, reaction of tertiary butyl bromide with sodium methoxide produces isobutylene, that is D is the correct option. Check out the things again, that is question number 10, ethyl chloride is converted into diethyl ether by D is the correct option, Williamson synthesis. Clear? I think now you can easily solve such kind of questions. So friend, this is the last question of today's lecture. In my next lecture, I will discuss few more questions related to alcohol, phenol and ether. So time is calling, time to say bye-bye. Thank you so much.